Hi folks, and welcome to another edition of Kangaroo Island Spirits Cocktails with Sonny and Greg.
Hi Sonny, how you going?
Good, thanks Greg, how are you?
That's a nice tea-towel you got on your shoulder there, Sonny. Is that like your parrot?
It's just like a parrot. I've got a name for it and everything.
That's good.
Yeah,
I thought it looked a bit
thanks,
girly though.
Yeah, right. Yeah, thanks for that.
Hi folks, how you
Do you
going?
mind
anyway?
if we get on with...
No, by all means,
Okay,
let's go.
All right. Today we're going to make a couple of cocktails. I'm going to do an old-fashioned or a twist on an old-fashioned. You may or may not know that old-fashions have been around for a couple of centuries, and basically they were a whiskey or a bourbon with sugar, generally a sugar cube or raw sugar, a little bit of water and bitters, and you'd stir it up, muddle the sugar up, and that created you an old-fashioned. So today I'm going to use our Kangaroo Island Spirits whiskey barrel gin. So it's a beautiful gin that we've aged in some single malt whiskey barrels for a few months, and let it take on those flavours, but still keeps its delicious gin structure.
They're quite subtle.
Yeah, absolutely. So
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is first take 60 mils of the whiskey barrel gin. And then we're going to take 10 mils of pure Canadian maple syrup. Now, folks, it has to be a pure Canadian, a real maple syrup. It can't be one of the knockoff ones that you get. The imitation. That's just all sugar. This is the real deal. So about 10 mils of that, and you can adjust that according to what sweetness you'd like. And I'm going to throw in a pinch of salt. Once again, just to taste, so that was probably about enough there. Yep. And then a few splashes of bitters. I'm going to give that a stir, and generally stir that until you see the sugar start disappearing, which might take you about 30-40 seconds, but
You stir that anti-clockwise, Sonny, or clockwise?
it has to be anti-clockwise, yeah. Otherwise, what happens if I don't?
I don't think the sugar dissolves, does it?
You're right, yeah. The sugar's not going to dissolve because there's no sugar in it, but
of course.
the salt
The salt, man.
the salt won't dissolve. That's correct.
That's exactly.
So that basically, folks, is it. And then I'm just going to grab myself a nice ice ball and roll that in there. And you see I added a little bit of water there, so I let this ice ball melt for a couple of minutes, and that gives you that little bit of dilution that you're after. And then, just to finish off, I'm going to take a little bit of orange zest. Just give it a little curl around, a squeeze. And I'm just going to pop that. I might just give it a bit of and we'll just pop that on top there.
Because there is a lot of flavour in that zest. In the orange.
That's right. Yeah, it's really important. And so you can imagine sitting next to the fire, out camping.
Winter's night.
Yep. You'd have a little old chair in the corner at home, wouldn't you? Like
I would, sitting with
little book and a
rug over my lap.
Would you have a pipe or a cigar or
cigar? I think
cigar. Yep, and an old fashioned. Yeah. So, yep.
No,
very good. So
very,
that's my.
very interesting.
I don't think I named it, did I? So this is what we call here at the cellar door is our whiskey barrel salted maple old fashioned. So a bit of a tongue twister, but could you say that?
It's a whiskey barrel salted old fashioned.
Yeah, and with maple.
With maple.
Yes. All right. So that's mine, folks. And now, Greg, what are you going to do for us today?
So today I'm going to do a orange dawn sunrise. Is that right? Orange dawn sunrise.
Yeah, I thought we agreed on orange dawn.
Was that what we said?
Did you add sunrise onto it?
I must have.
Did he just add it?
Yeah, you do.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we're just...
So we get...
Improvising.
Doesn't matter what we call it. It's how we make it, really. And it's based...
It's also how you are going to present.
Of course.
You've decided you said, Sonny, I want to do this and make this entire cocktail.
Exactly.
And I'm going to imitate Sir David Attenborough.
That's
how
right.
I'm going to do it. So,
but unfortunately,
people at home are really looking forward to this. So.
We're in actually a secret location today because our cellar door is going through renovations, and so unfortunately David wasn't able to come and find us. So today it'll just be my normal voice.
Okay.
And today we're doing my cocktails that's based on the Harvey Wallbanger. And the Harvey Wallbanger dates back to the 1950s when a guy named Donato Antone had a bar in Los Angeles, and a guy came along. He was a local surfer, and he used to come into the bar every day. And of course, Donato made this drink and called it after him, Harvey Wall.
Thanks, Will.
Sorry about that, folks. These things happen. I just need to put that on silent. And
is that David?
It was actually David Attenborough. It was, yes, calling me.
Saying he'd be here in a second.
He said, "Where the hell are you?"
He said, "I'll be here in a minute."
He did. He said,
"But you do my voice."
Yes.
In the meantime, that's what he said.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to start off with 30 mils of our wild gin.
Or we're going to use vodka, maybe. Keep going.
No.
Keep going.
No. So 30 mils of our pure vodka.
Yes.
Now this is a vodka that we make here, and it's we triple distill it and then filter it out over charcoal. So you can see it's a very smooth vodka, quite easy to drink, unlike your European vodkas that can be quite sharp.
Yeah.
We then add 60 mils of orange juice. So I've measured that out previously, and we just pour that in over the ice. And then we top it up with another 30 mils of our anisette liqueur. So I think in the original Harvey Wallbanger, they made it using Galliano, I think it was.
That's right, yeah.
So Galliano has got that anisette flavour and taste to it. And you stir that around. And I'll get Sonny to peel me some zest of orange as a garnish. Thank you very much, Sonny. And again, as Sonny did, we'll just express that around the edge of the glass.
Yep.
And then certainly then just sit that on there as a nice garnish.
Yep.
And to top it off, we use a little bit of star anise, 2 pieces of star anise, as a further garnish to the drink there. So there you are, that's our Harvey Wallbanger imitation, which we're calling our Orange Sunrise, or Orange Dawn Sunrise. I must apologise, folks. I really just lost it today, with all the background noise that you can hear.
Yeah.
And still, we managed to get through it.
We did.
So there
and
is
we produced two
very interesting,
very
cocktails.
nice drinks. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
and
they look great. They taste great.
and they taste even better. Yeah. So look, again, we must improve our professionalism, Sonny.
Probably you need to.
No. Well,
all right, us. Yeah.
Yes, us. Yes. So once again, 2 more cocktails. Hope you enjoy them. They're quite simple to make, although we made it look hard. And using our beautiful products, so our whiskey barrel gin, our pure vodka, and our anisette liqueur. So, cheers, Sonny.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Cheers, everyone.
Thanks, Nataskia.
Yes, thank you.
Delightful.
Oh,
how's that?
beautiful.
How's that? Red sunrise ocean drink. Go on.
This is our Orange Dawn
Oh, sorry.
Sunrise.
Thanks, folks, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers.